In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to begin by deciding which app you wanna lock. Then hold it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, use this option called Require Passcode. Now tap on Require Passcode in the pop-up and enter your passcode right away. Now every time you want to open this app, passcode will be required. To disable passcode from any locked app, just hold it again and tap on Don't Require Passcode. Now you need to enter it to confirm it's you. And as you can see, after that, it was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!